Do you want to know how to make money on YouTube without showing your face? That's exactly what I'm going to show you on this video in a very simple niche where you can get started absolutely for free and it won't take you a lot of time to edit these videos. You never need to show your face and it's all done 100% free. I'm going to show you all the tools that you need on this video to get started so you can start making money on YouTube. Plus, at the end of this video, guys, I want to give you a massive bonus and show you how people are monetizing these videos so that you can make even more money on YouTube. If you want to make money without showing your face, keep watching. So the YouTube niche that I want to show you today, guys, for you to make money on YouTube without ever showing your face is to come over here and to create these very simple fireplace videos. Now, if you've seen similar videos like this being made, make sure you watch this entire video, guys, because there's a twist to this that I want to show you that someone is doing. They got their channel monetized very quickly and they're now making money on YouTube, guys. So what I did, I filtered the search here so we can come over here and have a look at some recent videos that have been made. And when you take a look at this, guys, I mean, have a look at how many views these channels get. I mean, this one over here was posted a week ago, 199,000 views. Some people are running live streams at the moment. This person's got 724 people watching. You come down here, this person's got 180 people watching. The live stream thing is for another day, but what I want to talk to you about today is show you how these people are absolutely crushing it. I mean, have a look at this. This was posted 2 months ago, guys. 560,000 views, and you won't believe how much money these guys make for putting up these very simple videos. I mean, look at this. 234,000 views, guys, 4 days ago, and this channel is monetized, guys. All these channels are monetized, and there are people that know exactly how to get around some of the YouTube regulations that they put out so that people just don't put out the same boring content all the time. So I'm going to open up some of these channels, guys, to show you exactly what they're doing and how you can do exactly the same. The first channel that I opened up over here, guys, is this one over here called Relax with TV Backgrounds. Now, this channel over here started 6 months ago, okay, and if I come over here and if I click onto one of their videos, you're going to see that they are monetized. That is their channel name over here, and this is an ad that's playing on their video, okay, so they're 100% monetized and they're making a lot of money on YouTube and they're not showing their face, guys. This is super simple editing. I'm going to show you everything on this video now. So when you come over here, the other thing to notice, guys, is the thumbnails. Look how simple these thumbnails are. You can use canva.com. I mean, this is just a screenshot of the actual video that's playing, and then they've got some overlay over here, and this is more than likely done on very simple software like canva.com. Now, these are looped for about 7 minutes, but what I love about the way this guy's done his stuff is he's adding, or she's adding, music to this fire pit. Okay, so with the fire, they're adding music as well. This has probably allowed them to get monetized because it's a point of difference to what everyone else is doing. So he's thinking outside the square. I'm going to play a little bit of this for you so you can see exactly what I mean. So if I come over to their video over here, you can see here, this is the 4K Christmas fireplace with music and crackling. I'm just going to put the volume up over here so you can hear this. Just make sure that all my volume is up, and I'm going to play this for you and so you can hear exactly how he has done this. Now, I'm going to show you guys how to create this absolutely for free with free software, and you can do the exact same thing, guys, and that's it. This plays on and on for 7 hours, okay, and he's got an ad at the front, he's got an ad at the end. I'm not sure if he's got any ads in the middle, but he's absolutely making money on YouTube. Like you saw here, he has ads activated, okay. Another channel that I wanted to show you guys is this one over here called Cat Trumpet, okay. And when you come over here, this person does fireplace relaxation type videos and other similar videos, okay. He's got other ones over here of coral, and then you can hear like fish swimming around. He's got all this cool stuff over here, breeze, all this amazing stuff, okay, guys. But the ones that get a lot of views are the ones that he does the fireplace pits on. I mean, look at this, 1.7 million views, okay. If you come over here, he's got 1,400 people watching this. This one over here has got almost 800,000 views, okay. And there are some of these videos that have tens of millions of views. Some of them even have 30 to 40 million views, okay. And again, these thumbnails are very simple to create. Now, this channel again, guys, is monetized. As you can see here, they have an ad running when you click onto their videos. Now when you come over here guys, their videos is just purely a fireplace. If I play this, it's going to be different to the other one because it doesn't have the music. And that's basically looped for 12 hours. Now what I want to show you guys, if we come over to Social Blade and we check out this channel over here, have a look at how much money they're making on YouTube guys. Take a look at this. That's $52,000 that this channel is potentially making by running these simple videos. Now their CPM is probably going to be a lot lower, and I can work that out. They've got 10 million views every single month, and if we do that on a say $1 CPM, they could be earning a little bit more. That's $10,000 every single month. And how often are these guys posting videos? You can see he's got a few live streams running, and then it's like one video every single month. I mean, that is amazing, because I'm going to show you how to create one of these videos right now. So firstly, where can you go to get these different fireplace type videos? Okay, well there's two places where you can go. The first one that you can go is this one over here called Pixabay.com, and another one you can go to is this one over here guys called Pexels.com. And basically what you want to do, if you come over here guys and you type in fireplace as an example, okay, so hit enter, and now once you come over here guys, take a look at all these different fireplaces. I mean, this is the exact same fireplace. So if I was to come over here and click onto this guys, you can come over here. I mean, take a look, this is a free download, okay guys. So you'd come over here and you can quite simply download this. You've got, you know, photos, you've got videos, etc. And the other one you can go to is this one over here guys on Pexels.com, and as you can see, these are exactly the same. So if you come over here, you can hit play on this, okay. So if you hit play on this, you can see that you've got that over there. Some of these will have sound on them, some of them won't. So you can look for ones with sound guys, or what you can do quite simply is I'll show you where you can get the sound from. Like this one over here has sound. So what we'll do is we'll run with this one over here. So I'm going to come over here guys, and I'm going to download this to the 1920 by 1080. So we'll click on to download that. As you can see, that's now downloading onto my computer. Now from there guys, with yourselves, you're probably going to need to have some form of, you know, editing software. And one that I recommend is this one over here called openshot.org, because it's free. I use one called Camtasia. Okay, now Camtasia does cost me, I paid $200 and something for it, but if you don't have that money to spend right now, you can easily do it on something like this guys. It's absolutely for free, and it's very similar for these types of videos. Okay, you don't have to make it very technical. Okay, so what you want to do, we're going to go over to my video editing software over here. Now I'm going to go to file, and I'm going to import that video that we got. I'm going to show you how to loop this. Okay, so if I go to import media, it's going to take me over here to where this video is. So I'm going to double click onto that. Now as you can see, all we need to do is grab this, drag it down, okay, and then quite simply we can right mouse click onto that, we can copy that guys, come over here and paste that, move that over there. Then we can just come over here, paste that again, okay, come over here, paste that again. And basically what we're doing is we want to create, you know, a 7-hour, 8-hour, 12-hour. Then what you can do, okay, is you quite simply copy all these, okay, then come over here, right mouse click, copy, then you come over here guys and you paste. You can see how much quicker this starts to get, okay, and then you can bring this over very quickly guys. What we've done is we've gone and created almost 3 minutes worth of video, and once you have 3 minutes, all you need to do is, you know, select all over here and then just keep copying, okay. And if you play this, I just want to play this very quickly for you, okay, so you can see exactly what we've got over here and how it works when it loops, okay. So let me play this very quickly for you, then I'm going to show you how we're going to add music to this. So as you can see guys, that's just going to continue to play over and over again. It's very similar to the video that I showed you. So how are you going to add music to this? So what you can do guys is you can come over to YouTube, okay, and you can go straight over to their audio library, okay. So once you come over to their audio library, you've got a couple of options over here. So you've got this search or filter by library. So you've got free music, which I'll show you how to get in a second. The other one you have over here is sound effects. So if you come over here and you click onto sound effects, and then you come over here, you can just type in fire, for example, okay. So if you type in fire and hit enter, what's going to happen is you're going to get all these options over here for a fire. See, there's 4 minutes and 22 seconds, 3 minutes, and you can loop this the exact same way that we looped that video that we got from Pixels. Okay, so you can come over here and you can play this and you can choose one that you like. If the image or the video that you got doesn't have sound, you can get sound from here. So let's just play this very quickly. So you can hear it sounds like a daytime forest type fire. Okay, so this is where you can come over here and you can get these other sound effects. Okay, but what we want now is we want some free music. Okay, so we're going to come over here, guys. We're going to get this music over here, and what we're going to do is we're going to come over here and we want to find something. Potentially, if we go to mood over here, what we want is we potentially want to find something that is a little bit relaxing. So what you want to do is you want to come over here where you've got this search or filter library, click onto that, and then what you need to do is you need to choose, for example, a genre or a mood. So if you click onto genre, you can come over here, guys, and maybe choose something like classical, for example. Okay, click onto apply. You can also come back over here again and you can choose a mood. Okay, so you can come over here, you can choose calm, you can choose, funky, happy, inspirational. So let's just choose inspirational and click on to apply. Okay, and now what we're going to do is we're going to come over here and we're going to listen to one of these different sounds. Okay, so if we click onto that, as you can see, that's very calming, soothing. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to download this. Okay, and once we click onto download, this is now going to download onto my computer. Okay, so I'm going to pause this, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this on that video that we're creating, and I want to show you how you can do this. Okay, so I'm going to close this down. I'm going to come over here, guys. I'm going to come back up to here. I'm going to go to file. I'm going to go back to import media. Then I'm going to come over here, guys, and just click onto this over here. So what we want to do now is we want to bring this down over here, guys. We want to drag this back over to here. Now you just got to play around with the sound. Okay, you don't want the sound of this to overpower the sound of obviously the fire. So we're going to come over here, we're going to play this. Let's hear how this sounds. Okay, so definitely the music is overpowering that, so you just want to lower the volume. Okay, so bring it down a little bit more. Play that now. And as you can see now, you can hear the fire and the music. Okay, you might not be able to hear it as clearly because I'm recording this, but it's definitely very clear where I am, guys, and you can start to create these videos very, very easily. Okay, so from here what you do is you'd quite simply upload this video to YouTube. Now what I want to show you guys, an important tip. Okay, I want to give you guys a little bit more value. If you come over to any one of these videos over here, guys, what you can see over here, I'm using a tool called vidIQ, but you can get the vidIQ basic, okay, which is absolutely for free. And if you scroll down, what you're going to be able to see is all these tags over here. And if you want, guys, I will have a link down the bottom to vidIQ. If you're a YouTube creator, you should definitely be using one of these different types of tools, okay, to help you rank videos. And basically what this does, okay, it shows you what tags these channels are using, so you can replicate these tags so that you can start to rank these videos, and so YouTube knows where to push your content. Okay, search is very powerful when you're first starting out, guys, because you're not going to get a lot of suggested traffic. You're not going to get a lot of browse feature traffic either. Okay, so when you first start off, very important that you're using a tool like this, and you can come over here and see exactly what these people are using as their tags. The other thing I recommend that you do, guys, is use very similar titles as well. As you can see here, these are the titles that they're using. You can come over here, guys, and replicate some very similar titles. Go out and have a look at what other creators are doing and mimic what they're doing and try and emulate as much as you can with having your own spin to it. Okay, the other thing that you want to do, guys, some of these channels, guys, they have some links to Amazon, they have some links for affiliate marketing. Some do, some don't. What I suggest you do to test it out when you do start this, guys, is you can quite simply come over here, guys, and go to Amazon, guys, sign up absolutely for free, and you can start to add fireplaces inside the description of that video. Some of these channels, guys, are getting 10 million views every single month. If people are interested in this, they might decide that, hey, I want to buy one of these instead of always watching it on YouTube, watching it on TV. It's a fantastic way for you to make a little bit more extra money online. Now, what I found some people doing, guys, I want to give you a bit of a bonus over here. What I found a lot of people doing is they're creating these types of channels because they know that these videos are going to get a lot of views, okay? And then what they do from here, once they create a channel like this, they can very quickly, like this video over here got 236,000 views in 4 days. This channel can basically, off one video, get its 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. And then what they're doing from there, guys, is they're completely changing up their content because they've already reached the metrics to apply for the YouTube Partner Program. But then what they do is they completely change up their content, wait a month, and then apply for the YouTube Partner Program, and they're getting approved. I mean, you're allowed to change up content. There is nothing wrong with that. But the key is to do something that's going to allow you to hit those metrics a lot quicker so that you can start to make money on YouTube. So that was my video for today, guys, on how to make money on YouTube without showing your face. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you smash that like button in appreciation, and don't forget to go down the bottom to subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss out on any of my awesome content. Goodbye.